Trayvax is a totally different company. We can create our own innovative ideas. We don't have to rely on, other manufacturers. We have customers that will make recommendations for product improvements, and we'll have customers that will make recommendations for just products in general. And the great thing about that is we have engineering teams, product development teams, marketing teams that can take those product ideas and, like I said, put together a concept and maybe even a prototype within 24 hours. We had a lot of our Element customers asking if we could produce an Element wallet without the big bottle opener. They wanted something a little bit more sleeker, they wanted something a little bit more streamlined. And the nice thing about that is we were able to come out with the Ascent wallet, which was kind of the solution to that problem. It's because of our customers that we're actually able to create new products and improve upon our current products. We have full control over our manufacturing processes. We know where our products are coming from and our components are coming from because we own that portion of the manufacturing process. My name is Gerald, and this is my Trayvax team story.